It was a while that we could see mysterious structures on the planet Mars. They all had similar shapes, a cone and some craters. And they looked fresh, smooth-surfaced. Now the solution for this mystery has come from a surprising place. And that is the mud volcanoes of the Iran. Yes, these are mud volcanoes. They sprout mud. They're famous and they are a tourist attraction in that region. Some of them have grown to huge sizes, as you can see here. This is one of the mud volcanoes actually during eruption. The geology of that part of Iran is very interesting. We have a subduction zone on volcanoes. In front of all of this is something called accretionary wedge or front. The best examples of these are found in the port city of Chabahar in Iran. Here two tectonic plates of Earth are colliding with each other. And one is subducted under the other one, going under it. The pattern is always consistent. You have ocean, you have accretionary wedge. Then you have the land, and on the back of it, you have volcanoes, real volcanoes. This is the pressure in the accretionary wedge that makes the clay to be fluid. And that is the reason we see the clay oozing out of the ground. Now, our scientists in the Open University have tried to simulate this. And the result shows what we see on the Mars is similar to the Earth mud volcanoes in Iran. Please watch this video and see for yourself.